Honesty and kindness are both virtues we all need to have. We need to be able to show mercy to anyone we cross paths with. Open doors shall come your way if you trust in Jesus Christ. Pour out your heart for and to Him. He'll never fail you. He'll separate you for Himself. He'll set you apart for Him. What will you do for Him? Oh, how the possibilities are endless. How immaculate He is. Go out into all the world to share about the Immaculate Son who died for the sins of the whole world. Be restored to the fold of God. Start to walk for God, and the possibilities are endless. Be made anew. Receive the refreshment that only comes from God. God is the key to any great destiny. Don't get lost along the way, but even if you do get lost along the way, God is ready to receive you with open arms if you do turn your back to Him. There is a key to access the promises of God, and that is to be a child of God. The Holy Ghost is the seal. Oh, how great it is to be approved by God. Are you approved by God? Have you got the seal of approval? Or do you have the wrath of God abiding in you?